Howdy gang, welcome back to Hang Out with Deggers. In this episode I'm heading up Snowdon, the highest mountain in Wales at 1,085 metres. As you saw, I'm taking the Llanberis path, which is the most popular route to the summit. For company today, I've got my friend Fed and my three clients, Simon, Gabby and Ben. So the Llanberis path starts off quite steep at the very beginning, but then it levels out and it's just a slight incline all the way up to the halfway house. Here we are at that halfway house, a small cafe that's been serving walkers since the late 1800s. It's always a good place to stop, grab a drink, little bit of a snack and get your breath back before the harder push up towards the summit. From here, the weather really started to turn. The wind picked up and then the rain joined in for good measure. What you got to pull that face for though? Reaching the summit always feels great, no matter what the weather's doing. We stopped off for a bite to eat and a drink, but then we started to get really cold. So it wasn't long before we started the descent.
Happy chappy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Thank you, mate. Cheers, buddy.
Every now and then the mist did break and you got stunning views across the valleys and the lakes below. Give me a thumbs up. There you go. And subscribe. Pulling funny faces again. This path winds up alongside the Snowdon Mountain Railway. We had lots of sheep for company along the way, as you always do in Wales. So that was our brilliant, windy, rainy, unforgettable day on Snowdon via the Llanberis path. If you're planning to do it yourself, come prepared for all seasons, because you'll probably get them all in one hike. As always, gang, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. All the best, and try for a bit.